In the heart of Ri Khasi, where the rains of Sohra have whispered for centuries, a legend walked among the clouds. His name was Ramhah, the mighty giant whose footsteps echoed across Ri Khasi, carrying upon his shoulders a great woven basket, as ancient as the land itself. He was not feared by the forests, nor by the rivers that carve the hills of Sohra. But every legend carries its final chapter. The elders tell of a fateful offering, and with every step, the strength of the great giant began to fade. When the great guardian finally fell, his enormous woven basket slipped from his shoulders and struck the earth with a thunder that rolled through the valleys. They say the land refused to let his memory disappear, and the basket became stone. Even today, at Khoh Ramhah in Sohra, the silent stone still stands, not merely as rock, but as the everlasting memory of a guardian whose footsteps became legend. For in Ri Khasi, some stories are not forgotten. They become the land itself. The stone of Khoh Ramhah, standing through generations, reminding Ri Khasi that legends never truly die.